Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. What a beautiful upward movement. Take a look at the yellow area I marked in the video yesterday. We are inside that territory. Let's check the 3-day liquidation heat map. And exactly like predicted, the price action ate all the short-term big short liquidity on the map. But it appears most of them got closed because CoinGlass reports only $162,910,000 in short liquidations in the last 24 hours. The 2-week liquidation heat map has the next hot area on the upside, starting from 95,000 all the way to 101,000, with peak levels around 97,000, 100 and 99,800. The targets from yesterday were 89,300, in the range between 95,200 and 98,000, all derived from the heat map analysis. At the time of recording, we saw Bitcoin's price action moving towards our targets. The price went up 6% from the lows of 86,700 to the highs of 91,900 right now. The short term looks bullish, with the money flow crossing into the green. Next short-term targets are 92,000, 95,000, 98,000, and above. There are rumors of positive news regarding crypto taxes in the strategic reserve this Friday at the crypto summit held in the White House. I fear, with the market being this responsive towards news, that it could be a sell the news event when it becomes a nothing burger. The last times it was always like that, because great expectations come with great price movements. Let's see what happens on Friday. Some news guys retweeted that the whale who longed 200 million in crypto before the crypto reserve announcement changed his name to March 7, showing a screenshot of his new wallet address on Hyperliquid Exchange. This would be the White House Crypto Summit date. If we check this address, we can see that it currently only holds around $100,000 to $66,000 in crypto overall, with active shorts on Bitcoin, a pathetic 0.38 Bitcoin position, with other shorts on AVE and Move, but simultaneously active longs on Solana and Ethereum. If you ask me, that's someone else. There are on-chain analysts also reporting that the 200 million long whale had funds from phishing scams in Rubit. That speaks volumes, and he appears to be only a scammer and gambler, if anything. The main takeaway here is, focus on your own trades, don't follow other people, but sharpen your own axe to get the fruits you deserve from the tree of fortune. I will keep you updated on the daily. Join the free Discord for live trading thoughts, entries, and exits. Click the like button if you got value from this video, and subscribe with the notification bell on to stay updated. And see you in the next one.